We now move on to the threshold molding, which I will quickly explain how simple it is to install. It's not a big deal if you follow the instructions, and it's all common sense. The molding is installed with a galvanized metal track like this, included in a package. You want to screw it onto the floor, but not on the planks between the two transitions, and preferably under the door, and then snap on the molding that you cut to fit. Alright, we started by cutting the transition molding and the metal track to size, and measured the center under the door, and now cutting off the access plank so we can screw the track onto the wooden subfloor, staying away 1/8 of an inch from the planks. That's for expansion. This DeWalt cordless oscillator is ideal for this. Look for the link in the description for one of these. They are amazing. Then remove the debris. Lay the metal track and molding to make sure it fits, taking into account that 1/8 of an inch gap. Make sure the molding fully overlaps the planks and the ceramic tile. And using the screws supplied with the molding, screw it down using pre-drill holes already on the track. Do not over tighten to prevent the track from bowing. Align the molding on the track and gently press it in the track channel until you feel and hear it snap in. Using the mallet, you can give it a few taps, and all you should do after this is silicone all around to prevent water from getting to the subfloor when mopping. There may be a slight color variation due to the nature of the decor, and they're easy to clean with a damp cloth. And this completes the installation. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. And have a great day.